Hey guys, this is Candie of Candie's Natural Hairnamix coming to you with another video, and today's video is just a quick one to show how I refresh my crochet braids. You know how you refresh the curls when they have gotten old and starting to get matted after a couple of weeks. And just an update about my natural hair. My natural hair is growing. Yes, I haven't showcased it in a while because it is at that awkward stage, and so it's not long and it's not very short anymore when I can just up and just wash and go, and I'm cool. So because of that reason, I have been doing a lot more protective styles. So I have been wearing this beach curl by Freetress, and the hair is pretty good. It's one of the better synthetic hair curl pattern that I've come across in a little while. It doesn't really tangle that much. Freetress in general is one of my favorite brands. I work with that brand a lot with my clients, and so yeah, I am a fan of Freetress in general. But the beach curl, it really does mimic human hair, if you ask me. But anyway, I'm about to refresh it because the curls need a little wake me up, and in order to do that, I just have a spray bottle, and in the spray bottle I have some water and just a little bit, like maybe a squeeze or two of the Candie moisturizing curl activating cream, curl activator cream. And it's just water, that curl activator cream, and to that I'm going to add some of the OneTrueNatural Shine of Mine Nourishing Oil Blend. So yeah, let me just tip a little bit of that in there. Not too much because it's not really a lot of the mixture, so you don't want to overdo the oil. Yeah, good to go. And then you just cover, shake, 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 and you're good to go. You just lift and spray, and you're not trying to soak it in, you're just spritzing it just to loosen up and wake up those curls all over. And it smells so good. I think the oil in the mixture is giving it that nice, minty fragrance. And guys, if you would like to purchase your own OneTrueNatural Shine of Mine, I will leave the link in the description box to where you can order your own. Right, and already you feel the hair starting to loosen up, and it actually starts to get a little bit more fuller. The volume is apparent when you just spray a tad bit of water in it. So I'm just using my hand to kind of finger detangle and to just open the curls back up. For those that have clumped up on themselves, I'm just separating it with my fingers. And thankfully there's not much work with this hair, like I mentioned before. Literally I have not gone out of my way to maintain this hair. It's very low maintenance, guys. A lot of times I even fall asleep without covering it up. All right, and so when you are doing your separation, you might come across things like this, those little straggly ends. You just take a scissors and simply snip them off. Yeah, good to go. On this side, you do the same thing. Just use your hands and kind of separate the curls. And I can already tell that if I really want to, I can get a long wear out of this hair, because it seems as if it has no intention of looking old. It's one of those hair that you're gonna eventually end up taking it out, even though it does still look bomb. But you know your hair needs to get washed and treated, so you have no choice but to remove it. Yes, that's gonna be my life with this hair. See? And I don't like when the smaller side is too big. I prefer having all of the drama on the more dominant side, so I'm not gonna fluff this one out too much. If any fluffing, I will concentrate it on this side. That's just how I like to wear my hair, with the dominant side being more dramatic and obviously way bigger than the other side. Alright, so, and I'm going to be doing the same thing in the back. Obviously, I can't really do that on camera because it's going to take a little bit more effort for me to do the back. But yeah, curls have awakened a bit. And as it dries, it will, you know, continue to expand. And to finish that off, I'm just using my Cream of Nature argan oil, Perfect Edges Edge Control in the black. This is the truth, guys. Especially if you have edges issues, this is a lifesaver. It is one of my favorite products, again, to work with. Alright, so just gonna touch that on my edges and then just wipe that in, rub that in. And you can't use a lot, because if you use a lot, it's a problem, because then your entire forehead probably end up looking black, and you don't want that. No. Just enough to get it tamed a bit. And I find that using the black edge control helps to close up, you know, the parts, hence giving your crochet braids a more natural appearance. Yes, yes. See, you can't really tell that you have a bunch of parts right here because of the edge control. Yeah. And I think we don't look too shabby. We can probably, you know, hit the road, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Stupid. But yeah, this is how I refresh my hair, guys. Thank you for watching. That's all I was stopping to show you all. And as usual, be sure to comment. Tell me how you refresh your protective styles when you have them. You know, like the video, subscribe if you haven't, share the video. And until next time, this is Candie signing out.